Is it just me, or do I see an unopened package on the table? I think it's just me. Now it's open. These are supposedly the very best memory cards you can get for the GoPro Hero 9. So, let's see if this fixes the damn issue with the cameras overheating. It's ridiculous. Like, they'll die within like 30, 45 minutes sometimes, even at like 1080p. And 4K, just forget about it. It's not going to last. The fact that the unit overheats before the battery runs out, it's a big problem, you know. So hopefully these will fix the issue. Okay, so I've got the memory card in there. We're going to see how long she lasts recording my gameplay. Here we go. Well, it didn't solve my problem. So to those of you that are giving me shit and saying that, like, oh, you're just not doing it right, you idiot, you don't know shit about shit. Well, I tried the suggestion, and yeah, I mean, I have factory batteries. They're all, you know, licensed GoPro batteries. You know, they were all fully charged. I had 100% battery. My camera overheated. It was reasonably cool out today, overcast. So it lasted for a total of 35 minutes and 32 seconds with the absolute best memory card you can get for the GoPro Hero 9. What a piece of shit. And that's at 1440p, not at 4K. So at 4K, it usually lasts like 10-15 minutes, something like that, and overheats. And then you have to wait 15-20 minutes for it to cool down to be able to use it again. You know, you can turn it right back on, but it's gonna stay on for about 30 seconds. So good job, GoPro. You made a shitty camera. Looks great though. Like, the image quality is great. Sound is not so good. Cool that it's waterproof. Otherwise, it's a piece of shit. Have a good day. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in a future complaining video.